Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Bluey step by step just with a pencil. And what is the reason why? This is the reason. If you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And now, let's begin. First, we start drawing this line. This line is going to be a table, yes. Now it's time to the body. For the body, just 3 lines. Pay attention. Don't be rude with the pencil. Just in a light way. Okay, now for the eyes, we only have to draw one oval and this way. Perfect. And now another small one. Now it's time to fill the oval. For the nose, pay attention about that. We start drawing this line and now this curve. And don't forget the mouth of Bluey. Yay, that looks fantastic. I don't know why I say yay. Okay, let's continue. And now for the second eyes, this oval. That is the easier one. And now, another small oval and the shape of the nose is a triangle. Perfect. That looks really nice. Really nice, to be honest with you. And now guys, it's time to the ears. For the ears, we only have to use 2 lines for each one. It's like a triangle. Yes. And don't forget I forget how can I say ejas in English? And yes, I teach you how to speak Spanish too. That's amazing. Subscribe for that reason. Perfect. And don't forget the arms. But Bluey is an animal. He doesn't have arms. He has... Okay. And don't forget the tail of Bluey. And we almost done with Bluey. Now it's time to add some detail. For the detail, I love to use a 4B pencil because it's so nice. Look at this, guys. And here we have the final result of our Bluey. Yeah, okay, that is good. Now, see you next time. Bye bye. God bless you. Adios.